Good morning, everybody. It's Tiffani time, and today we are scrambling our way to some of the best views in Vegas. We are at the Calico Tanks Trail, which is about a 2.5 mile hike with a 400-foot elevation gain. I am really excited to take you along this hike today. It's been a while since I've seen you. So this trailhead actually leads us to two hikes here. You have Turtle Head just ahead, and the Calico Tanks over to the right here. We'll be doing Turtle Head Trail another time. So as always, I have our trail pulled up on all trails. It's really important, even though this is a relatively short hike, to still have a map. There's a lot of different trailheads at the same spot. Kind of easy to get mixed up right in the beginning. You guys have no idea how good it feels to be back at it. I think the last time we saw each other was in my most recent hike in Patagonia, and wow, what a difference. But there has been so much going on lately. I recently moved from Houston to Vegas, and the differences are just so massive. It's so humid in Houston, and it's so dry here. Honestly, my hair loves it. My nose and sinuses, not so much. Nobody really tells you about moving from like such a humid climate to somewhere so dry. I kind of struggled for a bit with like sinus issues and bloody noses and things like that, just because the stark difference. Along with that, the big move, I had also recently had surgery, so I was out from backpacking and hiking for about 8 weeks. And man, did I miss it. You know, a lot of people that I've talked to about this move have asked me what I'm looking forward to most about moving from Houston to Vegas. And honestly, it's the ability to be outside. We have so much to do here in Vegas that I almost didn't recognize it. We're here in the Red Rock Canyon, but on the whole West Coast, there's so much that can be accessed so easily. You know, there's tons of hikes within an hour from my home, but also you have so many places that are so drivable. So I'm really excited to share with you all of our adventures over the next couple of months. Let me know in the comments where you want to see me travel to next. Like I said, there are so many things that are so accessible, including the Grand Canyon, Zion, you have Yosemite, you have Olympic National Park. There are so many places. You've got the Redwoods. I'm really curious where my viewers would like to see me explore. Where have you always wanted to go? Let me know, and I'll take you where you need to go. You know what's insane? It's insane to think that we're only 30 minutes from the Vegas Strip and it looks like we're in Mars. It looks like we made it to the first tank. This is also called a Tanahas. Correct me if I'm mispronouncing it, but it's a very rare natural water basin. It collects water during rainfall. It could be iced over in the winter and absolutely bone dry in the summertime. And just like that, after a 45-minute walk in the desert, the city of Vegas essentially appears out of nowhere. This was an awesome welcome hike to Las Vegas. I'm ready to head back though, before the sun gets too harsh. This place is filled with really cool visuals, mostly rocky terrain. It's rated rated moderate on all trails. And I think that's strictly because you use your hands a lot to climb up these big rocks. This was a really fantastic first hike in Las Vegas, especially for me. When I tell you I'm a bit out of shape, I know you won't believe me, but you'll just have to trust me on this one. My cardio is certainly not at the level that it was when we hiked through Patagonia. So just up ahead of us is Turtle Head Peak, which we will do at another point in time, I promise. I just didn't want to start with a longer hike today. I believe that one is about 5 miles. Honestly, this one has been perfect with beautiful views, the sun, the wind, everything has been really, really nice. A lot of historical value. If I'm not mistaken, those look like agave plants. Someone please tell me if I'm incorrect. But apparently this place was known for its agave roasting pits. And I haven't seen them yet, but I'm on the lookout. We are now about an hour and 15 minutes into this hike, and it looks like we're on our way out very shortly. And you can tell with the amount of people that keep coming onto the trail, it's now 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's starting to pick up. This is actually one of the most popular hikes in Red Rock Canyon. So after an hour and 20 minutes and about 630-foot elevation gain, we are finally back at the trailhead. The elevation I have recognized is always longer because I always go off trail. But if you'd like to see more, we have tons of stuff in store for you for the summertime, so stay tuned. You can also visit tiffanitime.org. It was a pleasure.